Hey everybody, hope you're all doing good. Um, for this tutorial, I'm going to do something different. I'm going to teach you all how to make ringtones using music editing software. This way, you don't have to spend a lot of money per ringtone, only to get gypped from your cell phone company. So, let's get started, everyone. The music editing software I'm going to be using is Amadeus Pro, but any music editing software will do just fine. So, first you need a audio file or song or whatever. The one I'm going to be using is Thunderhorse by Dethklok. Now, for those who don't know, Dethklok is the cartoon band from the show Metalocalypse that's on Adult Swim. So I just imported the song file into Amadeus Pro, and the thing that you read is the beginning spot of your ringtone. So we're gonna play it for a little bit, and we'll find a spot. So, I think about 15 seconds into the song would be good. So, what you can do now, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, is go into about, we're going to go about 15 seconds. You can just take whatever you don't need at the beginning and delete. And let's see what you get. Alright, that's pretty good. Now that you have the beginning, now you need the end. So what you can do is go to the 30-second mark of your time scale over on the bottom. Just click on that, start highlighting, and start highlighting all the music data you don't need for your ringtone. This might take a while depending on the length of the song. And here we go. And now you could just delete it. So there's your 30-second clip. And now we're going to do some fade ins and fade outs. So to fade in, you go to this top blue line that's at the top, which represents the maximum volume. And there's one dot at the beginning, one dot at the end. So what we're going to do, we're going to click on it, and we're going to make a new dot. And we can take the dot at the beginning, drag it down, and it's at the bottom, so that means there's no sound or volume. And then you see the line going up, and that's a fade in. Do the same thing here. Click on this, drag this to the bottom, and that's a fade out. So we're going to see how that sounds. Alright, once you're satisfied with your 30-second clip, you go to File, go to Save As, uh, name your file. I'm going to go to name it Dethklok, Thunderhorse. And you could choose whatever file format you want. Usually, so we got like AIFF, WAV, OEG, but we're gonna just use MP3 since most phones play MP3 format. So you go to Settings. Usually, I just stick with the default. Make sure joint stereo is checked off, and yeah, just click OK. And I'm gonna save mine to the desktop, but you can save it anywhere. And just click Save and click Yes. And there you go. So we're just gonna minimize this, and here's your MP3. And we're gonna open it up in QuickTime to make sure it works. And let's press play. Alright, so the file works, everything's good, and now you want to put it on your phone. Two ways you can do it. Just some phones might come with a USB adapter, so you can just plug your phone into the computer. Or the way I usually do it is turn your Bluetooth on, excuse me, and you can make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. Most phones today have Bluetooth in them, so you just browse devices, do whatever you have to do in their Bluetooth, and after you're done with that, you can send the files to your phone, and you will have a brand new ringtone, and it's probably better than what you're probably going to buy from your cell phone company. So yeah, hope you learned something, everybody. Hope you're doing good. If you have any questions, just send me a message, send me an email. Yeah, like I said, hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.